Hey Visioneers, want to create stunning, high-quality AI images in seconds, even if you're not a designer? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI, one of the most powerful and easy-to-use image generation tools out there. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just curious, this one's for you. Let's dive in.
Leonardo AI is one of the easiest and most powerful tools for generating AI art. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or just experimenting with cool visuals. First, go to leonardo.ai and sign up. You'll need an email and password. It's free to get started, and they give you daily tokens to generate images. Once you're in, click AI image generation. You'll see models like Leonardo Diffusion, Dream Shaper, or Anime Style. Choose the one that matches your vision. Now, the fun part, type what you want to see. Be specific. For example, a futuristic African queen in gold armor, glowing background. The more detail, the better. Choose how many images you want, aspect ratio, and guidance scale. If you're not sure, leave the defaults. They work well. Hit generate and wait a few seconds. Leonardo will show you 4 AI generated artworks. Like what you see, just click to download. That's it. You've just created AI art using Leonardo in under 2 minutes. Want to learn how to upscale, edit, or animate your images? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next tutorial.
And that's it. Now you know how to use Leonardo AI to bring your ideas to life with just a prompt. Remember, you don't need to be an artist to be creative, just the right tool. Don't forget to like, follow Augusta Vision, and keep exploring the future with confidence and curiosity. See you in the next one.